back to my channel and welcome to another how to start a planner sticker shop. Today's video is going to be how I do my kit layouts. I know a lot of people have asked me this question, and in this video I'm doing a 2-page kit. That's partially because I don't really need to design a full kit or a mini kit, but I had a 2-page kit that I needed to design for an event that I'm sending stuff to, so I figured I would go ahead and design that and show you guys how I do that. But there's a couple reasons why I'm not doing a full kit. One, because I feel like you guys wanted to see it because you want to know what stickers to put in your kit, because I get that question a lot, like what kind of stickers should I sell? And guys, do yourself a huge favor, okay? Design stickers that you personally are going to use, that you love. Like when thinking about a kit, what stickers do you want to see in your kit? Like what stickers are you going to use? Because if you're creating for everybody else, I personally, whenever I tried to do that, I was not happy with my stickers because I was trying to design for everyone else. But if you just try to design for you, people are gonna like your style, they're gonna like your kits, and you're gonna sell kits. I mean, you have to be passionate about what you're creating, and I think one of the best ways to be passionate about what you're creating is to create stuff for you that you are going to use. So when thinking about what stickers should I sell, what stickers should I have in my kit, how should I lay out my kit, just do what you want. Like there's no right or wrong answer with this. And so I feel like that's why a lot of people ask about that, and that's really my simple answer on that, is just create stuff that you love and create the kit that you want, your perfect kit. And if you do that, you will find customers and you will find people who love your style, love your kits. I promise, like they will come. So just stick with that. Another reason why I'm not doing a full kit is because I have all of my kits designed and all of my stickers are designed, so I basically copy and paste it into the new file, and then like I will lay it out a different way, if that makes sense. So that's kind of what I'm doing in this. Like all the stickers are already designed, I just have to change the colors and lay them out on the sheet. So I'm kind of showing you guys that in this video, and that's why it's not a full kit, because a full kit would take a long time. It would be a really long video. So I might still do one in the future. Let me know if you guys are still interested even after watching this and hearing my thoughts about the stickers that you should be creating, because I definitely still want to give you guys what you want, but I also felt like a lot of why I was getting requests for that was because you guys wanted to know what to put in your sticker kits, and really it's up to you. Don't take away from your own creativity. Like just think of all the stickers that you personally want for your planner, put that in a kit. Like don't overthink it too much, you know? So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we're gonna get into designing the 2-page kit. Okay guys, so we are doing a 2-page kit. Now, the idea behind this 2-page kit is I wanted to take stuff that would be, you know, great for a TN planner or a personal planner, but you could also use in your Erin Condren. And the idea behind this one specifically is I'm gonna send this to a big planner convention, and I'm gonna put like on the little envelope, or not on the envelope, but on my cello bag, you know, you can get the full kit here. So my idea behind it was that you could use it for your personal planners or TN planners, but if you wanted the full kit, I could like give a coupon code and kind of point you in the direction on where to get the full kit for this. So that was kind of the idea behind this specific kit and why I designed it the way that I did. But in going into it, I was trying to think of things that I personally would want to see if I went to a convention and I got a 2-page kit. So what I came up with is I really love like the scripty icons. I love regular icons. I like to have a weekend banner, and I love having half boxes and quarter boxes. I just think that those are essential to my planning. So that's what I tried to do in this kit. And what I love about this kit is while it still has like a pattern, you can tell it belongs to like a full kit kind of deal, it also has just solid colors that you can kind of incorporate in any spread. I mean, like obviously you can't incorporate like a pink in any spread, but like eventually you'll have a spread that has pink and you can use that pink in it, if that makes sense. So that's kind of my thought process behind building this 2-page kit. And like I said, I just really try when I'm thinking about my kits, when I'm designing them, when I'm laying them out, what would I personally like? And that is how I come up with my kit layouts. And I know that's not like super helpful. I know, especially when you're starting out, you want like how do you do this? And what do I do? And like, I'm overwhelmed, and I totally get that. But really, if you guys just sit down and even make a list of stickers that you personally love in your planners, and you create those stickers and you just kind of play around with the kit and how it looks on the page, trust me, it will get easier. I know it's like such an overwhelming process, but it does get easier, and you'll figure out your own personal style and you will enjoy it. But as you can see, I still take a while to build my kit. Even a 2-page kit, I still try to figure out, okay, like, what are my essentials? What are the things that like I have to have in this kit? What are the things that I can live without? And so that's really my thought process behind this. And like I said, I've already created all of the stickers. So all I have to do is go into any kit that I've created and just copy and paste the stickers that I like. And it just makes it a lot easier for me when designing and reformatting stuff. And I think probably a lot of shop owners do this. But it's like I never do a full kit start to finish like from scratch, because like I said, I've already designed the stickers. So all I have to do is go in and change colors and patterns, or just lay stuff out differently on the sheet. So that's kind of my thought process behind this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got something from it. I know it's probably not the exact answer you guys were looking for when building kits. If you guys still want to see that, I could probably come up with something later. After a while, it'll be a while because I have several videos that I want to get up for you guys, but I might be able to do something, especially when I reformat my kits, because I'm sure I will do that at some point this year. I would be happy to film that and show you guys, but you know, for this 2-page kit, it was just easier to do it this way, and this is how I would do it normally anyway, just pulling stickers from other kits. So yeah, I know like that's not super helpful if you know, are trying to figure it out, but the thing is, like, the best way to create a kit is just to create a kit that you would love and use, and put all the things that you think are essential to your planning style. And then once you do that and you have something that you're proud of, you can show it off in your planner. People are going to ask you where you got it, and people will like what you've created. So just don't overthink it. I feel like a lot of people try to overthink this, and the cool thing about stickers is you can be as creative as you want. There's no limit. There's no right or wrong answer to this. It's just you being creative and you figuring out what you like and your style. And I think that the planner community needs more people to just be true to their style and not try to copy everybody. And so definitely just, you know, figure out your style. It takes a little while. Trust me, my kits did not look like this in the very beginning. It has taken 4 years for me to get it to where I'm like, okay, yeah, I love this kit. Like, I mean, I loved my kits before, but it's taken me a while to perfect it, you know? So I don't know. Hopefully you got some good advice out of this and you got to see what it was like behind the scenes on how I design my kits. But yeah, that's how I do it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you guys want to see more content from me, and hit the bell notification so that way you're notified anytime that I upload. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight